Hello crocheters, welcome back to a new episode of Trish Crochet. So we are going to learn today how to make a magic circle. Magic circle is a beginner's guide too, because if you want to make any kind of amigami projects, then you have to know how to make a magic circle. So we start with our first method. I'm going to show you two methods, this one being the first and a little bit moderate level method. We start off with taking a very small hook, since making a magic circle is a very detailed work. So you're going to need a smaller hook. Always switch to a smaller hook. We start by taking the tail of the yarn and yarning over our 2 or 3 fingers, and then yarning over behind our fingers, forming a X. Make sure to form a X. Alright. After you form a X, take your hook, go inside the first row underneath. You go below underneath your first row, first yarn, and then you go on the second row, pulling out that strand of yarn. Alright, so you pull it out and you twist it. Make sure to twist it very firmly and don't lose your grip. Then you're gonna go underneath the first yarn and then you're gonna pull it out. Make sure to pull it out very firmly as well, or else you might lose the grip and you have to do it again and again. So there you go, and take out the tail from your magic circle so that you can work easily without any hassle, and then start making almost 6 normal stitches. Alright, your magic circle should consist of 6 normal stitches. Don't yarn over, simply go inside, like I said, normal stitch, take out a loop, 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull to all the 2 loops. Alright, this is what we are going to repeat 6 times until we reach to a point where we can see how a magic circle is formed. So there we go, our third stitch, third normal stitch, fourth stitch, and then fifth and sixth until we reach the sixth stitch. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. You just simply take out the tail that you see on the end of your magic circle, the tail and the continuing yarn that you're working on. Alright, the sixth stitch. It often happens, I lose grip of my yarn. So you can see 6 stitches are done. You just take the tail and you simply pull it. Alright, so that there you go, your magic circle is ready. Now we come to the second method. Alright, we're gonna start off with, this method is called as a slip knot magic circle method, because we start off with making a simple slip knot, the process, alright, like we make a slip knot, but instead we don't finish the slip knot, just make a circle, we take out a loop like we do in the case of slip knot, and we go inside, we take the hook, we don't finish it off, the slip knot, we don't pull it, we simply take the continuing yarn and we take out a loop. Alright, that's how our magic circle is simply formed. Let me know in the comment box which method do you prefer. For me, I prefer this method because it's quite easy to remember rather than the X formation being a little bit complicated. So instead of making the slip knot or finishing it off, you just simply don't finish it off, you just go around the circle and you make the magic circle. 6 stitches it is. Complete the 6 stitches. I often struggle Well, I'm learning too, I can say. I've made quite a lot of projects. Can't say they're flawless, but I'll say everything has its own flaw. So, sixth stitch we have reached. Simply take the tail and we pull it. So, our magic circle is ready. Let me surely know in the comment box if you have any methods or recommendation. Take care. Bye bye. 사랑해요.